The Millionaires Founders Kit is available now. Spend $499 to access what most people spend 4 years trying to learn. Click the link in the bio on the Ray Reynolds official TikTok and YouTube pages. You can also visit RayReynoldsFinancialServices.com to get started. The 12 books in the Millionaire Founders Kit hold all the keys to success. Book 1 discusses financial freedom. Book 2 is about building a foundation for your financial and professional future and success. Book 3 is about managing your stocks. Book 4 is about creating resolutions so you can manage your corporation. Book 5 is about goal setting. Book 6 is about more wealth and protecting assets. Book 7 is an overview with Ray Reynolds himself. Book 8 goes over how to set up corporate credit reports. Book 9 goes over basic techniques to advance your understanding and equip you with knowledge of how to successfully manage your corporations. Book 10 teaches you all you need to know about managing multiple corporations. Book 11 gives you a full guide on what's next when you reach the finish line. And Book 12, one of the most important of them all, discusses nonprofit. Buy the Millionaires Founders Kit today. Follow Ray Reynolds Official on all platforms. Click the link tree in the bio and set yourself and your corporations up for success. No one can secure that success like Ray Reynolds can.